Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Everything is 122 Trig and analytical geometry. Addition, Formulae, excuse me, and Trig, right? Yeah. Let's note that sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos A plus cos A sine B. Sorry, this is B. Likewise, sine open bracket A minus B is equals to sine A cos B minus cos A and sine B. Am I right? Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Then cos A plus cos B is equals to cos A cos B minus sine A and sine B. Right? Are you following? Then cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Excuse me. Yeah. So far so good. Then what will happen to tan A plus B? What will happen to tan A plus B? What will happen? You know that tan A, excuse me, ordinarily tan theta or A is equals to sine A all over cos B, right? Excuse me. True or false? is true, right? So this is equals to sine, open bracket, a plus b, all over cos, open bracket, a plus b. Excuse me. Then our term a plus b is equals to, what is sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Then all over, this is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Amen? Amen? Amen. So, excuse me, in the long run, it means our term a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b, right? Tan a plus tan b, then all over 1 minus tan a times tan b. Then likewise, tan a minus b is equals to sine a minus b all over cos a minus b, right? Are you following? Okay? So now everything will now be our term a minus b, then a minus b will now be equals to sine a minus b is this, sine a cos b minus, right, cos a sine b. Then all over this will give us cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Yeah. Do you agree with me? Now, the whole thing will now turn down to our term a minus b is equals to tan a plus tan b all over 1 plus tan a times tan b. So take note of this because we want to solve some examples using all this. Is that clear? We're solving some examples. So take note of this. Copy it down. It's very important. I've told you that I'm going to mark your notes. So just copy it down. So we're looking at an example here. Some examples here. We're looking at some examples here. That clear? Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead to solve some problems. Let us go ahead to solve some problems. If sine a equals to 4 all over Example. If sine A equals to 4 all over, okay, 5 and cos A, and cos A equals to, equals to 12 all over 13, right? Find A. Find I, A and B are acute. A is obtuse and B is acute. A is obtuse and B is and B is acute. Okay, so let's look at it together. Exactly. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Find the values of sine. Find the values of sine A plus B. Yeah. And cos A plus B, right? When A and B are acute. A is obtuse and B is acute. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we'll be looking at this. As simple as ABC. It said if sine A equals to 4 all over 5 and cos A equals to 12 all over 13, find the values of sine. Sorry, it is not x. Find the values of sine A plus B, then cos A plus B. When A and B are obtuse, A is A and B are acute, then A is obtuse and B is acute. You know what acute and obtuse angle is all about. Anyway, we'll get there. Yeah. We'll get there. So let's begin to solve. Is that clear? Let's solve for all of them. Yeah, at first, what we should consider is, let's go back to our Trig identity, where you know that for us to obtain A and B, our cos square A plus, since we are talking about A, is equals to what? Sorry, is equals to 1, 3 of us. Because Your cos square A theta plus sin square theta is always 1. True or false? Excuse me, it's true, right? Okay. Yeah, it's true. It is true. So, what we need to do here is, let's recall. Let us recall. If we want to consider this, we can now say that cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. True or false? It's true, right? True or false? It is true, isn't it? Yeah. True or false? It is true now, isn't it? So now our where sine A is equals to what? 4 all over 5. So our cos square A is equals to 1 minus 4 all over 5 all in square. Alright? Okay. Then let's square both sides. Square both sides, our cos A now be equals to either plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 all over 5 all in square. But you know very well that when we have 4 all over 5 all in square, this is same as 4 all over 5 times 4 all over 5. 4 times 5, 4 times 4, sorry, 16. 5 times 5 is 25, right? True or false? True or false? It's true, right? Okay. So let's proceed. So if you agree with me, this is cos A equals to either plus or minus square root of 1 minus 16 all over 25. Then our cos A now equals to plus or minus. We take the LCM. Here we have something of this form all over 25. Note that the LCM is what? 25, right? 25 divided 1, 25 times 1 is 25. 25 to 25, you are going to have 1. What do you have here? Minus 1 times 16, then this is equals to 25 minus 16, 9 all over 25, right? Am I right? Am I right? True or false? True or false? Oh. Excuse me. True or false? True or false? It's true, right? True or false? It's true, right? Yeah. So here now the 9 all over 25, then cos in short 9 all over 25 is a perfect square, right? So this is either in short when we have root 9 all over 25. This is the same as root 9 all over root 25. Then root 9 is what? 3 all over root 25. 5, right? Yeah. Here will now be 3 all over plus or minus 25. Okay? Then, similarly, since we have been given sine A equals to 4 over 5 and cos A equals to 12 over 13, we are able to consider cos A. Then what we need to do is let us move further to consider sine A using the same method, approach. Is that clear? So here we now say similarly our cos square A, cos square B, not A, right? We have to consider B. We have considered A. Cos square B plus sine square B is equals to 1. True of course. Excuse me, true or false? It's true, right? Okay. So far, so good. So here now the sine square B is equals to 1 minus cos square B. Am I right? Yeah. So far, so good. So where our cos B is equals to given as 12 all over 13, then our sine square B now equals to 1 minus 12 all over 13, right? But cos is square, so all is square. Then we square both sides, we have sine B equals to plus or minus, then which is square root of 1 minus 12 all over what? That. If you have any question, I give you 1 minute. 1 minute to. I give you 1 minute to ask question. 1 minute to ask question. I give you 1 minute to ask question, please. Ask question. No question? No question. Sir, cos B is not given, only cos. Cos B is not given, only cos A. Here, I understand your question. Yeah. Only cos A. We alternate now. Since the Formulae, we have A and B, so you can replace it with B. Since, look at it now, the first solving, here, we are looking at this. This is sine A plus B cos A plus B. So, even if here, they turn into what? B. Here, they turn into B. You must come back. After looking for the B, then you turn it to what? A, and look for it. Like here, we look for cos A, then move further to consider B because of this. Because we are going to somewhere. We have to get the value of both A and B. Not necessarily they will give you sine A here will be sine B. No. Is that clear? Are you following? Do you understand? Okay? So, let's proceed. And here, sine A here is optics. Go and find out. Yeah. Go and find out. If you can see what I am seeing here. Okay. So now, let's consider this. Here will now be sine B is equals to plus or minus. Then I told you earlier that when we have 12 all over 13 all in square, this is the same thing as 12 times 12 all over 13 times 13. This is 144 all over 169. True or false? True or false? It's true, right? True, right? Okay. So far, so good. So here we now square root of 1 minus 144 all over 169. Then we take the LCM. Our sine B is equals to plus or minus. Then square root of here with 169 minus 144 all over 169. Okay? Yeah, then this is the same thing as square root of 25 all over 169. Isn't it? Now 169 minus 144 will give you 25. Look at it here. 169 minus 144. 5, right? 2. 1 minus 0, right? So, here we will now be sine B is equals to plus or minus square root of, okay? And I told you that when we have this is 5 all over what? 13. Any question, please, before we proceed? So, at this point, sine B is acute. Sine B is acute. We take sine B, so B is acute. Since sine B is acute, B is acute, right? So hence, let's move further to answer I, then II. It's now that we want to start solving for I and II. Take notes. Probably you might see this in your exam, so you should take note. You might see this in your exam. So let's go further to solve for I, right? For that to solve. Okay, so let's consider I. So our sine A plus B is equals to what? cos B, then plus cos A sine B, right? Right? So let's come back. What is our sine A? Sine A is given as this. So sine open bracket A plus B is equal to sine A is 4 all over 5 times cos B. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Sine A cos B plus A yeah. I think this should be B. This should be B. Sorry. Here should be B. Yeah. Here should be B. Sorry about that. This is sine A and cos B is given as this. Here should be B. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So our cos B is this 12 all over 13. Then plus cos A is 3 all over, and sine B is 4 all over. Sine B is 5 all over 13. Please take note, this is cos B. Sorry about that. Take note. Okay, so far so good. So here, use this to multiply. We are going to have 48. Now 13 times 5, 15, carry 1, 65, right? All over 65 plus 15 all over 65. Am I right? So let's add this and this. 48, 15 plus will give us 13, carry 1, 5, 6, 63. So 63 all over 65. That is our sine A plus B, right? So let us move further to consider. Any questions, please, before I proceed? Do you have any question? Yeah, there is a mistake. You said cos B is equals to 12. Yeah, what is the mistake? Yeah, Lawa, Moses, Lawa. Yeah, I'm with you. Educate it out now. If I said sine A equals to this, cos B equals to this, because in the formula here, sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So I think B is needed, necessary. There, cos B is necessary. So from the question, we are supposed to have sine A and cos B. Yeah. Lawal, Moses, point it out now. Point it out. Point the mistake out. Let me hear from you. Maybe I'm not seeing what you are saying. So sine A is 4 all over 5. Then what is our cos B? Cos B is now 12 all over 13 now. And we got it. Then plus cos A. Cos A is 3 all over 5. And what is our sine B? Sine B is 5 all over 13. True or false? So let's proceed, right? I think I'll make myself clear. Okay? Let us proceed. Okay. So far, so good. So here, so we are going to do the same thing. The cos A plus B is equals to what? Cos A cos B, isn't it? Then this is minus sine A sine B. Am I right? Am I right? To the previous this thing. Am I right? True or false? It's true, right? Am I right? Okay, so here our cos open bracket A plus B is equals to, what is cos A? What is our cos A? Oh, I think cos A is 3 all over 5, right? 3 all over 5. Then cos B, what is cos B? Cos B is this 12 all over 13, right? Then minus sine A. Sine A is what? Sine A is this 4 all over 5. Then sine B is 5 all over 13, right? Yeah. Here, if you can see what I'm saying, this and this will cancel. Then our cos A plus B now be equals to this one times this is 36 all over what? This one times this 65, right? Then minus 4 all over what? 13. True or false? True or false? True or false? It's true, right? True or false? It's true, right? So, yeah, if it is true, I want you to solve the fraction. Then, write your answer in the comment section. 1 mark. The first 5 people. I give you only 2 minutes to do that. Your time has started. Yeah, what's the answer? What is the answer? One minute left. Write your answer in the comment section. Give you 1 mark. Remind me in class. 1 minute left. Please, your answer is needed. Your answer is needed, please. Leave it in fraction. Usman, remind me in class. 1 mark. Just leave it in fraction. I don't need a decimal. Leave it in fraction. Your time is up, and there's only 1 person. I was able to come up with something. Any other person, no mark. Okay, let's proceed. So, use this to multiply, use this to multiply. So, that is 36 times 13, 18, right? Carry 1, 9, 10. You have 6, 3, 8, 6, 4, right? So this is equals to 4, 6, 8, minus 65 times 4, 20 carry 2, 24 plus 2, 26, 260, right? Minus 260 all over 65 5 times 13. 15, right? Carry 1. 18, 19. 5, 6. 5, 14, carry 1. 7, 8. So 8, 4, 5, right? Am I right? True or false? 8 minus 260 all over 8, 4, 5. Right? Am I right? Okay? So